Withdrawing money from your first Moomoo account is simple, but you need to make sure a few things are in place. First, before you start, make sure your funds are settled. After you sell any stocks, it usually takes one full business day for the cash to become available for withdrawal. Once that's done, open the Moomoo app, tap on the Me tab, and head to the banking or transfer section. If you haven't already linked your bank account, you'll need to do that here. Enter your account details, and make sure it's a bank account in your name. Now, to withdraw, go to the withdraw option, enter how much you want to transfer, and confirm. You can choose an ACH transfer, which is free and takes up to about 5 to 7 business days, or a wire transfer if you need it faster. Just keep in mind that comes with a fee. Also, remember you can't withdraw to someone else's bank account. Moomoo only allows withdrawals to an account under your own name for security reasons. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, no BS finance tips. Let me know in the comments if you wanted tutorials on deposits or trading next.